So hello, my name is Nikhil from Department of Electrical Engineering, HTI Odisha, and today I'm going to perform another experiment with magnetic flux. Okay, so as we all know that suppose we have a two coil in which one coil is producing the magnetic variable magnetic field and the second one is placed parallel to it, then there is an EMF induced in the secondary coil due to electromagnetic induction, and if I connect and bulb, then bulb will glow. Okay, so that's the simple phenomena that we all know. Okay, and from the formula of the flux, okay, which is Va cos phi, suppose this is the axis of an coil, and if the magnetic field make an 0 degree angle with the axis, then the cos 0 will 1 and we get the maximum flux linkage with the coil, which is Va. Okay, and if the magnetic field lines is perpendicular to the axis of the coil, then the cos 9, then the angle will be 90 degree and the cos 90 is 0, then we get the minimum flux linkage. Okay, it means suppose we have two coil, one is placed the parallel to the magnetic field producing coil and the second one is a perpendicular, then this coil will induce the EMF and this coil is not inducing the EMF. Okay, and let's check it. So here I make two coils, one coil here and the second coil is here, which is connected with the LED. Okay, and let's start the circuit. Okay, so here you can see if I bring the LED, if I bring the coil parallel to the generating coil, then you can see the EMF will inducing, which is glowing the LED. Okay, you can clearly see. But if I take it to the 90 degree of the coil, then you can see nothing will happening. Okay, that's we earlier discussed. Okay, here you can see, here you can see nothing will happening. So that's the general phenomena. But if I change, if I little bit change in my circuit, then see what will happen. Okay, and here you can see if I again take my coil at the angle of 90 degree, then it's producing the electricity. Okay, and if I change the angle and try to take parallel the LED, here you can see it's not generating any electricity, it's generating the electricity only at the angle of 90 degree. Okay, here you can see, this is interesting. Here you can see, and here is another question arise. Suppose if the coil is producing the magnetic field like such a way, which is nearly impossible, but suppose it is producing, then the flux linkage at the certain angle, it's maybe dim, the bulb should glow dim, but it should glow. But here you can see the bulb is not even glowing at the 90 degree, the bulb is glowing at a full brightness. But if I change the angle a little bit, here you can see the bulb is not glowing. So think about it.